Aprilia RS660. Best 600cc Supersport motorcycles. Supersport motorcycles started out as a middleweight racing category. These 600 cubic centimeters motorcycles still frequent national and international racetracks. But let's face it, to keep them on the track only would mean denying ourselves a world of fun. 600 cubic centimeters sports bikes are plenty powerful, light, nimble, affordable, fast, and a hell of a ride on the road. The past, the present, and your future. 600 cubic centimeters bikes have been very popular over the past 20 years. Most major motorcycle manufacturers produced a supersports bike. Currently, the developer's focus has mostly shifted to the 1000 cubic centimeters superbikes. For various reasons, among which are the global restrictions on emissions, new 600 cubic centimeters sports bikes are becoming harder to find. But not to worry, this simply means that the 600 cubic centimeters sport bike segment has become the playground of the bargain hunter. With the popularity of the 600 motorcycles narrowly behind us, you might be looking at owning a classic before it's a few years old. So, what is the best 600 cubic centimeters motorcycle? Scratch that, let's ask a better question. What is the best 600 cubic centimeters bike for you? We'll list 10 of the most popular supersports motorcycles, comparing specs and listing pros and cons in terms of power, design, engine sizes, and ease of handling. To help you narrow it down even more, we've divided this list into supersports motorcycles you can buy new in 2021, and popular older 600 cubic centimeters motorcycles. Aprilia RS660. Top picks for best 600cc Supersport motorcycles. Aprilia RS660. A newcomer to the US market, the Aprilia RS660 has been long anticipated. Many other supersports bikes have mainly focused on performance. The Italians at Aprilia equally focused on the looks of this 600 cubic centimeters sport bike. An asymmetrical swingarm perfectly aligns with the exposed aluminium frame. This forms a strong line across the bike, which is available in 3 color schemes. What it is going for it, lots of technology built into it, 3 riding modes, cruise control, cornering ABS, wheelie control, engine brake control and quick shifter. What might turn you off, it is not currently ridden in the World Supersport Championship. Specs. Engine, 659 cubic centimeters, parallel twin. Wet weight, 403 pounds. Transmission, 6-speed. Seat height, 32.3 inches. Is a 600cc bike good for beginners? A 600 cubic centimeters motorcycle can be a good starting point for beginner riders. Keep in mind that there are various kinds of 600 cubic centimeters motorcycles. If you're looking to get into speed, a supersports bike would be the way to go. When compared to a 600 cubic centimeters cruiser, a 600 cubic centimeters sports bike has about double the horsepower. So, go easy on the throttle at the start. Is there a big difference between 600cc and 1000cc? You might be asking, what are the differences between 1000 cubic centimeters and 600 cubic centimeters sports bikes? Apart from the obvious difference in engine capacity, there are a few things to consider. On average, 1000 cubic centimeters sports bikes have 70% more horsepower than their 600 cubic centimeters cousins. And they weigh only about 6% more. Therefore, the power-to-weight ratio tips the scales well in favor of the 1000 cubic centimeters machines. How fast, did you say? When you're looking at supersports motorcycles, speed has to be one of your main reasons. So how fast are these 600 cubic centimeters bikes? All motorcycle brands have a 600 cubic centimeters motorcycle that will go over 125 miles per hour. Yet, on average, the maximum speed of 600 cubic centimeters bikes is around 160 miles per hour. And some 600 cubic centimeters sports bikes will propel you at a whopping 175 miles per hour.